There are copies of emails that I sent to Mr. Mummert's office.
Okay. And those also include your emails to Ms. Wood?
Yes,
And is that the sum total of your correspondence with Mr. Mummert's office regarding the Sievers case?
I would say yes.
And that is the sum total also of your communications with them, including your history of the case?
Right.
Your Honor, at this time, I would like to move into evidence what has been pre-marked as Defense Exhibit 2.
Objection, hearsay.
And both sides approach. We'll give the defense a moment. And the objection sustained for the record at this time. I'm too close to the mic.
Is that you, Buzz?
I think so. Steer clear of it, then we'll see.
You want to use this one?
You've had enough time to talk to Mr. Sievers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Excellent.
Now, Ms. Murray, the emails you sent to Mr. Mummert's office and to Ms. Wood contain the history of what you have explained to the court here as your participation in Mr. Sievers' case.
Yes.
They also contain your concerns regarding the amount of time you needed for the mitigation investigation.
Yes.
Okay. And these emails also describe their lack of communication with you throughout your participation in this case.
Yes.
Were you aware of any efforts made by the team to hire mitigation experts such as a psychologist?
I don't believe they did.
Okay. Did they ever convey to you that they attempted to do so?
No.
Would that have been an important piece of information for the mitigation investigation for you?
Absolutely.
And you were never made aware of any possible reports or information they conveyed?
No.
In your expertise, do you also assist trial counsel with not just the gathering of mitigation information, but also suggest or recommend experts based on what you have discovered through your investigations?
Yes, that's standard procedure for me to decide if certain experts would be appropriate or helpful and then make recommendations to the team.
Okay. And ultimately, it would be up to trial counsel to either accept or reject that recommendation?
Right.
Did you have the opportunity to do that in this case?
I believe I did.
Okay. Ultimately, once you expressed concerns to the trial team, what happened after that?
A couple of emails went back and forth, and I basically told them that I wouldn't work on the case, and I guess resigned from it.
Okay, and that was due to the lack of communication?
Correct.
Okay. And the fact that you felt you could not complete the work in a timely manner?
Correct.
At this time, I'll pass the witness.
State.
Hello.
Hi, Ms. Murray. My name's Christina Pacheco, and I'm going to be asking questions for the state.
Okay.
Ms. Murray, you had another capital case pending when you were retained for the Sievers case. Is that correct?
I'm sure I did.
Okay. And you mentioned that your friend was surprised that you were on the Sievers case?
Right.
You're not a lawyer, are you?
No.
And you talked about the room in Mr. Mummert's office that had a bunch of boxes in it.
Right.
Did you ever look through any of the boxes?
Ms. Wood showed me one of the boxes that had pictures in it, but from my understanding, all of the other boxes were first phase documentation.
Okay, but you were offered access to these documents.
Yes.
You mentioned that you would have liked to have been made aware of the indictment and the charges. Presumably, if there were a bunch of boxes that were first phase, those would have been in the boxes?
I would assume so.
Okay, so you had the ability to look through the boxes?
Yes.
Okay, and you didn't make an appointment to do so?
No. What I did was ask for a Dropbox link, and I was supposed to have them sent to me.
Okay, and there was some sort of miscommunication with the link, either it was sent or it was sent empty, is that correct?
Right.
Did you follow up once you were not able to open the link or obtain the documents and tell them that the link was not active?
I sent an email.
Okay, did you call the office?
I don't think so.
Okay. You mentioned that you did meet with Mr. Sievers one time.
Correct.
And after that meeting, did you conduct any sort of investigation into the mitigation in this case?
No, I contacted the office and told them that I needed more time to do it because I learned that some of the some of the witnesses were out of state and there would have been more work to do. And I didn't feel like I had the time.
So knowing that time was of the essence, did you attempt to start some of the investigation?
Other than reviewing what I did have, some of the prior interviews that were done by the person that had the case before me, Ms. O'Shea, and meeting with Mr. Sievers, no.
But you didn't conduct any additional investigation?
Correct.
Did you want to be on this case?
Sure, yeah.
You did?
I don't like to say no to cases.
Okay. May I have a moment to confer?
Yes, ma'am.
And just to clarify, nobody impeded your access to the files in Mr. Mummert's office, did they?
No, I wouldn't say that.
And despite your admission here today that you wanted to be on the case, you didn't actively pursue investigation in this case.
I wanted to be on a case with death qualified attorneys, and I was learning quickly that they were not.
No further questions. Thank you.
Defense.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Is this witness to be released or retained?
Released.
Agree?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am. You're
Thank
free
you.
to go.
Thank you.
That's it till tomorrow, is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. My two pretrial detention hearings should be pretty quick, but the abundance of caution, we'll have everyone come back at 9 o'clock. It'll definitely be done by then.
Judge, may we have a moment with counsel?